EA Bot. Your personal assistant at Eversafe Academy. EA Bot is here to make your learning journey smoother and more efficient. Using EA Bot is simple. Just open our website. Look for the chat icon at the bottom right corner. And there you go, your learning assistant is ready to help. Need course information? Just ask. EA Bot provides details on all the courses available at Eversafe Academy. Got a question? Whether it's about enrollment, schedules, or certifications, EA Bot has the answers. The best part is that our agents are always active on the EA Bot to clear your queries, assist with concerns, and provide support whenever needed. But that's not all. EA Bot also helps you stay updated with the latest news, events, and special classes at Eversafe Academy. It's like having a personal guide right at your fingertips. So why wait? Start chatting with EA Bot today and make your learning experience easier, faster, and more enjoyable.